Hi, and welcome to the Agile Academy. In this Agile in Practice talk, we'd like to address how Agile teams use continuous integration to deliver a working solution to their customer fast with minimum risk. Jen, the HR team leader and product owner of the project delivering a new employee performance review system for the HR department, has come in to see how the team is going. Hi Tom, what's this red light on your computer? Is that signaling you're having a meltdown? Haha, not quite, but I've managed to break the build, so I'm working hard to fix it so the light will turn green. Broken the build? That doesn't sound good. What does that mean? I can't imagine, but let me explain. It's not as dire as what you might think. As developers, Liz, Bill and I have been developing the new performance review system one part at a time. Every time a new part or feature is completed, we add it to what we already have. This is what we refer to as the build. It's like making a movie by continuously adding new frames to it. Every time we add a new frame, we run the movie from the start to see if the whole movie is still making sense. If the storyline still makes sense, we say we have a green build. I just added a new piece of code to the green build, and when it was running the tests, like rerunning the movie, it turned out that the new piece didn't fit in. It just didn't integrate, so it broke the build. So now I have to fix it. Let me see if I've got this right. You're building and expanding the system continuously instead of building the components separately and putting them together at the end, right? That's exactly right. We call it continuous integration. The reason we do this in Agile is that it actually reduces risk. This is what continuous integration does. We integrate new code often and early. Early means that we start integrating new code from day one, and often means that we integrate new code several times a day. As a result, we keep the system free of defects, and we can keep adding features to it, confident that we are building on a solid foundation. That's what I like to hear as a product owner. What's the history of the red and green lights though, Tom? Surely you don't want everyone to know when you break a build. In fact, it's the opposite, Jem. We use the red and green lights so that it's visible to everyone around the team area. The red light warns other developers not to add a new piece of code until they see the light go green. The light is green again, so you've fixed the build. Yes, now that others can check in their code so we can keep going. Hopefully, you'll keep the build green. I hope so too, Jen. In this Agile in Practice talk, you saw that Agile teams use continuous integration to reduce risk and deliver a defect-free solution. Continuous integration allows Agile teams to offer a working solution in frequent small releases, which is a topic for another time and worth checking out on our website. If you want to learn more about Agile, the Agile Academy offers a range of courses delivered by accredited trainers and lots of open source material, which you can find on our website. If you have any questions, also feel free to contact us on our website or drop us a line on Twitter. Thank you, and enjoy your Agile journey.